Alright, we're at the Richmond City Hall in Richmond, Virginia. We got construction workers here. Oh, yep, this is the one with the broken indicator. And they've since turned the fan on here. Lovely. Let's go up to the observation deck. This is an original part of the building. See? Classic 70s. We're gonna stop. Nope, I'm surprised. We'll get a view later. It's very nice. The cabs have been replaced, but I think the floor is original. The door track's obviously original. Otis Series 5, I believe, fixtures. I love the blue. I do like the stainless steel as well. These are fast. Let's see if we're gonna stop. Probably will. No. No, we're not. I thought we were gonna stop. Well, apparently we're not. I cannot believe it. We got two non-stop flights. Well, granted, that's what they have 6 elevators for. Alright. Now we're going to take a view. Let's see, let's go over this corner to where I can point out some buildings. First, we're going to start over here. That building that looks a lot like the LA Arts building, that's the Central National Bank. That's a court where the former governor and his wife got sentenced. That's the 700 building with the big windows at the top. That right there is 1001 East Main. There's the Virginia State Capitol right there. And I'm poking up back there. That's the Omni. That wedge building is the Omni. Since I'm crunched for time, I'm not going to go all the way around, but we'll end over here. Let's not forget that it's actually rather cold out today because it's open air. Let me take a screenshot so I can, a video so I can geotag it. I don't know why Lady Gaga was playing on my phone. Alright. There's a big bridge over there. And now we're gonna go back down. There's the stairwell. That goes up to the wind trim.
We just riding, man. You going to the ground or the first floor?
Ground.
Oh. Now I think the school board might be closed, Leon.
Yeah.
I want to see if we can ride the shuttle elevator, but I don't. Yeah, we probably will. This one too has the original door track. I think I'm getting a good video, even though I am crunched for time. These are the original 70s Otis motors.
You lost them?
No. It's the other way. No, I'm not.
Oh, okay.
I'm just looking for the shuttle elevator.
Shut up.
I think it's over
Inside,
here.
yeah.
Okay, thank you. Let's see if even though I pressed up, let's see if I can get this going up. Good. Now I'm going back down.
Oh,
This one's bottom drive, and it's hospital sized. I think the door track on this one's been replaced though. Listen. Level. Now down here's a parking garage. See, and I guess this will be a good place to say that will be it.